Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to latest collection of stunning pure Organza Saree. Experience the pristine elegance and indulge in sheer luxury with our execute fabric. Introducing the pure Organza fabric saree with memorizing multicolor all over border and delicate beauty design. This saree is a true masterpiece that make you the center of attraction at any event. Crafted with precious and the intricate Gota work add a touch of regal charm to this sari. The fine craftsmanship and attention to detail make it perfect choice for those who appreciate timeless elegance. The sheerness of the fabric creating a gracefully drape and allowing you effortlessly making a stylish statement. Its lightweight nature ensure comfort throughout the day, leaving you feeling confident and beautiful. The dynamic combination of color in the border and the booty design add a vibrant touch to the saree, making it suitable for both formal and festive occasions. So guys, embrace the celebration of color and let your personality shine through. The versatility of this saree allow you to experiment with different blouse style and accessories. Let your creativity flow and create a look that is uniquely your. Don't be afraid to stand out and leave a lasting impression. And the best part, this stunning pure organza saree with the multicolor all over border and intricate Gota pattern work can be yours of just rupees 1550. Don't miss out on this incredible offer for such a remarkable piece of art. So why wait and elevate your style and embrace the beauty of pure organza with it execute saree. Place your order now and experiment the elegance and charm that your collection has to offer. Thank you for watching our video guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more exciting update and exclusive collection. Stay stylish and always keep shining. If you want to purchase this saree, then also link is in description box. You can check it out guys. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching.